Welcome back. So let's look at this logarithmic equation. We're going to solve for x, and notice that x is on the left hand side of the equation as well as the right hand side of this equation. Now stay focused on the left hand side and notice that the log expression on the right hand side is log of x squared base x. All right, first thing we're going to do, we're going to try to simplify. So the first thing that you're going to do, you are going to use a change of the log law, and that is log of x divided by log of 2 is log of x base 2. And we're going to keep doing that for every single term so that we have it all set up in a form that we can simplify. So here it is. Okay, now that we have this, we're going to go through and simplify. Log of x divided by log of x is 1. Let me change the color. Log of 2 divided by log of 2 is 1. So on the left hand side, we're going to have log of x over log of 3x equals 2. Now, let's simplify what log of x squared base x is, and that is 2, because x to what power is x squared? So that answer is 2. That's very simple. So we have the 2 there. Okay. So this original equation turns out to be this simplified equation now. We still have to go ahead and solve for x. So we need to do that. Now we have a rational expression. So in here, I'm going to multiply both sides by the lowest common denominator, or you can cross multiply if that's what you want to do. The same idea, is a shortcut. So 2 times log of 3x equals to log of x. Now, this log of 3x, we need to expand that. What does log of 3x mean? So that's log of 3 plus log of x. That's a rule of addition with logs. That's what we're going to use. And the other side is log of x. Very good. Now, as we're doing this, we need to go ahead and simplify more. So here it is, 2 log 3 plus 2 log x. We are using a distributive law right there, multiply right through each of the term inside the bracket, and the right hand side stays the same. Now that we have that, we're going to isolate the variable. So we're going to leave 2 log 3 alone, and then we're going to subtract 2 log x from both sides of this equation. All right, and what we will have is, on the right hand side, we're going to have negative log of x. All right, let's simplify. Now, we want to solve for x, not log of x, not negative log of x. So we need to get rid of the negative first. Divide both sides by -1 would be negative 2 log of 3. That is equal to log of x. And then once you have that, we're going to change that to a single log form. That would be log of 3 to the exponent of -2. That's equal to log of x. And here the bases are the same. So therefore, x must be 3 to the -2, or 1/9. Here is the answer. Now, you're not done yet. So what you need to do, you need to go ahead and then check your answer. Now, to check your answer, you need to go back to the original equation and plug in the actual answer, which is 1/9, in each of the term of the log expression, using the left hand side and then to the right hand side, and the right hand side and left hand side, they have to be equal to each other, and if they are, then you're good. If they are not, you need to reject that answer. So let me go ahead and quickly check that and find out if that is true. So now we have, for the checking of the answer, so we got log of 1 over 9 base 2 and so forth and so on for the log expression on the left hand side of this equation, and we want to know if that is equal to the right hand side of the equation. And notice that I have plugged in the value of x, which is 1 over 9, every time I see x in the expression, in every single expression that I see, and I've done that. All right, now when you simplify this left hand side, you will end up getting log of 1 over 9 base 1/3, because you have to simplify the expression. Now on the right hand side, we know that log of 1 over 9 is squared base 1 over 9, that's equal to 2. That's just simple. And now we have this equation that we need to justify. Is log of 1 over 9 base 1/3 equal to 2? Yes, it is. This expression says 1/3 squared. Is that equal to 1 over 9? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. All right. I hope this was clear. If you enjoyed this content, come back again. See you next time.